What's up, everyone? It's Esteban again with another video. This time I have a challenge since I noticed I have a lot of well, not a lot, but a few 2x4s in my garage. So now I'm gonna try to build a coffee table or lamp table, whatever it's called, and out of the all the pieces I have laying in my garage. So you wanna see how I do it? Stay with me, and I'm gonna show you how. Thanks. So here are some of the pieces I have laying here in my garage. So I'll see what I can do with this. Okay, so looks like we're making progress. I already have the legs. They're 1.5 by 1.5 by 24, and these are 1.5 by 21 inches. So you're gonna need 8 of these and 4 of these, 4 of the 24 inches long. Joining these together, like as always, pocket holes, glue, and that's it. For this one, I'm using 2.5 inch pocket screws. So, what you see right here, I already did the first coat. This is the stain that I went with, and also the polyurethane. And this is the brand of polyurethane that I went with, that I use on this part. Well, most of the time I use this polyurethane. Okay, this is. I know I jump out a lot of steps on this project, but fortunately I lost some footage I took with this new camera that I get from GoPro. I'm still learning on this camera. So what I did, I want to explain what I did on this table. This is 2x4s, the ones I use here in the bottom, and this was supposed to be first recycled project from all the scrap wood I have. Since I saw that it was gonna be a lot of work, I just go ahead and decide to. So what I did is went to go Home Depot and get a 1x6, and that's the one I use for to do the top part on this table. And because I don't want to spend too much time on sanding all the sanding the wood I was supposed to use because it was already painted, and since I don't have no planer or a belt sander, so what I did, just I just changed my mind, changed my plans, and go get a 1x6 and use it for the top. And I mean, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I did. Just I didn't join them together. All I did was just screw them one next to the other one, and like I said, just 2x4s on the bottom and 1x6 on the top. And the table measurements, it's 24 by 24 all the way around. And I don't know. I mean, I wish I would have all the footage I had. I was supposedly filming with my camera, but like I said, I'm still learning on this camera. I still haven't figured it out yet how it really works. So that's why I try to work a little bit on that, so this thing won't happen again. Also want to ask you one thing that I know a lot of people has been watching my videos and they're not subscribed. So I'm gonna ask you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because that really helps me out a lot, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, and that'll keep me motivating me to upload more videos and making more projects. Right now, I got some more projects coming soon. I'm gonna start filming again, and so I can keep uploading. But if you like my videos, please hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel. That helps me out a lot. So let's make this channel grow, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.